Professors in college do not care compared to high school teachers. Because this one time in high school, I asked my teacher if I could use my phone to take notes. Like, this is all it is. It literally just listens to your professor and uses AI to take notes. What harm can it do? But instead of saying yes, she took my phone away and used me as an excuse to give a 5-minute speech about how AI is bad for the world and it's taking over all our jobs. So from then on, I just stopped asking my teachers for permission and I just used the app without them knowing. But then last month in college during the Olympics, my history professor tells us that we should use this app called TurboLearn to take notes in case we want to watch the Olympics on our laptop while he's teaching. So that way we wouldn't miss anything because we could just look back at what he taught us in our notes. Why can't high school teachers be more like